Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Right off the top of my head, I can think of 4 reasons why you would need to adjust a brand new carburetor that you just put on a piece of your equipment. I'm going to take you through that right now. I've got so many emails and comments within the last few years, people saying that I just put a brand new carburetor on and it still doesn't run right. I reply back and I say, well, did you try adjusting it? Then they reply back and say, why would I need to adjust it? It's brand new. First thing is, that carburetor manufacturer right there, whether it be an OEM carburetor or a Chinese knockoff, doesn't really matter. The manufacturer doesn't know what unit you're putting it on, first of all. Take that carburetor right there, for instance. You buy that off of Amazon even. It says right on there it fits a Stihl FS38, a FS45, an FS55, 85 even. I think there's even a 106 in there somewhere. You have to adjust that depending on your equipment. Second thing is, that carburetor manufacturer right there has no idea what you're using for fuel. They don't know what quality of gasoline you're using. They don't know what mix oil you're putting in that. They don't know what ratio that you're mixing it at. It could be 30 to 1, 40 to 1, 50 to 1. That all makes a difference on how you adjust your carburetor. The third thing is huge. It's altitude. The carburetor manufacturer has no idea where you're going to be using your piece of equipment. There's a huge difference between altitude between where I live, Vancouver Island, and say Denver, Colorado. I'm at sea level right now, bucking firewood up in my backyard. I can tune this thing so it works perfectly. I hike way up a mountain to get some firewood. Altitude's way higher up there. This does not run right. I have to fine tune that carburetor again at altitude so it runs properly. Air temperature even makes a difference. This blower right here, I use it in the summertime when I cut my grass to blow all my pathways off. And then in the wintertime, I use the same blower to blow all the snow off my cars. The difference between summertime and wintertime air temperature, I still have to fine tune this carburetor in between those 2 seasons to make it work properly again. That's just the first 4 reasons that came to mind for me. There's probably other reasons out there. Hey, if you want to chime into this conversation, right underneath this video in the comment section, fire that up. Tell me some other reasons that you think you might need to adjust a brand new carburetor. I already have some videos already done right underneath this video again in the pinned comment section and in the description. I have some links there for you that you can easily click on and get back on how to adjust that carburetor. Check those out. And I think I'm pretty much done. I hope I help somebody out there understand that a little bit better, because I do get those comments and emails a lot. Till the next time, I just got to say, Steve out.